Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Chinese physicians believe that the condition of our nails can actually reflect the health of certain organs in our body. Once there is a problem with the liver function, it can be reflected through our fingernails. If you have thin vertical lines on the surface of your fingernails, this can be a signal that your liver is overworked. When the surface of our nails is not smooth and have vertical lines, it means that you have been overworked and lack of sleep recently. Long-term sleep deprivation and lack of sleep alters liver metabolism and can affect the liver's ability to produce glucose and process insulin, increasing the risk of metabolic diseases such as liver disease like fatty liver and type 2 diabetes. That's why you should rest more and avoid stay up late at night to avoid liver damage. You should also eat more foods that can nourish your liver to prevent liver disease. Now let us see which foods you should eat to nourish and protect your liver. 1. Goji berries. Goji berries have been used to treat liver disease in traditional Chinese medicine. Many researchers also found that eating goji berries regularly can help with managing liver health and preventing the progression of alcohol-induced fatty liver disease. Goji berries help boost our liver health as it is high in antioxidants, which protect the liver against free radicals. Goji berries can also be used to treat eye-related diseases because goji berries contain high levels of healthy antioxidants, especially zeaxanthin, which is good for your vision. 2. Foods rich in sulfur. Garlics and onions are both rich in sulfur. Sulfur is needed to produce glutathione, our body's main antioxidant. Glutathione helps to detoxify and eliminate poisons and toxins in the liver, lungs, intestines, and kidney. Hepatitis, alcohol abuse, and fatty liver disease all damage the cells of the liver. Glutathione can help reduce cell damage in liver disease, which can help protect our liver. Besides that, a mineral present in garlics and onions, called selenium, can cleanse the liver. It can trigger liver enzymes and naturally flush out the toxins from your body, which can help to boost liver function if taken moderately. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.